What if I told you that the highest paying jobs of the next decade don't even exist today? Not because technology is moving fast, but because artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of work itself. Think about it. Just 20 years ago, nobody dreamed of becoming an app developer, a YouTuber, or a social media manager. Today, millions of people make a living doing exactly that. Now another revolution has arrived, and it may be even bigger than the internet. Imagine waking up 10 years from now. There are no taxi drivers, no supermarket cashiers, no traditional call centers. Your doctor's first opinion comes from an AI assistant. Your lawyer's first draft is written by a machine. Even your child's homework is reviewed by artificial intelligence before a teacher ever sees it. For many people, this sounds like a nightmare. Every headline asks the same question: will AI take our jobs? But history suggests we're asking the wrong question. Every technological revolution destroys old professions while creating entirely new ones. The Industrial Revolution replaced millions of farm workers. The internet erased countless traditional businesses, yet it also created software engineers, content creators, cybersecurity experts, and entire industries that never existed before. AI is following the same pattern. So the real question isn't whether AI will replace humans. The real question is, what new careers will AI create, and will you be ready for them? Artificial intelligence doesn't magically become intelligent. Someone has to teach it. Every chatbot, image generator, and robot learns from enormous amounts of human-created information. But someone must organize that information. Someone must decide what is correct. Someone must correct mistakes. This creates an entirely new profession: AI trainers. Instead of writing code, many people will spend their careers improving AI systems, evaluating responses, designing conversations, and teaching machines how humans actually think. The teacher of the future may not teach children. They may teach artificial intelligence. People often say that data is the new oil. But unlike oil, data becomes more valuable every time it is used. Every self-driving car learns from millions of miles of driving. Every recommendation system improves through billions of clicks. Every medical AI becomes smarter by studying millions of patients. This creates enormous demand for people who collect, organize, clean, protect, and analyze data. Data engineers, data architects, data quality specialists, data security experts. As AI grows, high-quality data becomes one of the world's most valuable resources. Many people believe self-driving cars will eliminate millions of drivers. They probably will. But autonomous transportation also creates industries that barely exist today. Someone must monitor thousands of robot taxis. Someone must remotely assist vehicles when AI becomes confused. Someone must maintain fleets of autonomous trucks. Someone must build maps accurate to the centimeter. Someone must analyze billions of driving decisions every day. The job changes. It doesn't necessarily disappear. Throughout history, automation has consistently replaced repetitive labor while increasing demand for supervision, maintenance, and optimization. AI has an enormous appetite. It consumes electricity, it consumes chips, and above all, it consumes computing power. Training one advanced AI model requires massive data centers filled with thousands of specialized processors. This creates demand for entirely new careers: AI infrastructure engineers, data center designers, chip architects, power optimization specialists, cooling system experts, network engineers. The invisible infrastructure behind AI may become one of the largest industries of the 21st century. Because every intelligent machine depends on physical hardware somewhere in the world. This is where companies like SpaceX become interesting. Most people think Starlink is simply faster internet, but it may become something much larger. Imagine billions of devices connected everywhere on Earth. Ships in the ocean, remote villages, autonomous cars crossing deserts, robots working in mines, drones delivering medicine. Low-latency satellite communication allows AI systems to exchange information almost instantly across the planet. Starlink itself does not provide computing power. Its satellites are not giant AI computers floating in space. Instead, Starlink provides something equally important: fast, reliable connectivity. The actual computation still happens inside enormous data centers equipped with advanced AI chips. In other words, Starlink is the nervous system. Data centers are the brain, and AI is the intelligence flowing between them. Many students ask, what should I study? Programming, engineering, business? The answer may surprise you. The most valuable skill may not be technical expertise alone. It may be the ability to work alongside intelligence that is smarter than yourself. Critical thinking, creativity, communication, decision-making, judgment, empathy. These are abilities that become more valuable, not less, when machines become increasingly capable. Instead of competing with AI, successful people will learn how to multiply their productivity through AI. One person may soon accomplish the work that once required an entire team. Every technological revolution creates fear. When electricity arrived, people worried. When cars replaced horses, people worried. When computers entered offices, people worried. And yet, each revolution ultimately created new industries that nobody could imagine beforehand. AI will certainly eliminate some jobs, but it will also create careers that have no name today. The biggest risk is not that AI becomes smarter. The biggest risk is refusing to learn how to work with it. The future may belong neither to humans nor to machines. It may belong to the people who know how to combine both. So perhaps the question isn't, will AI take your job? Perhaps the better question is, will someone using AI take your job before AI itself ever does?